Oh, wow.
You can step onto a working boat.
Well, this is excellent. I feel like I'm on the boat, the skipjack. I'm seeing the area and the water.
Step up to a Harry Potter type of magical book about the bay. Kids will like the movement on pages.
It's really this ecosystem that a lot of creeks and rivers and ponds and coves are feeding into.
Stare at the aquariums as planners drive home the message of our changing waterfront.
And this is how John Smith might have discovered the Chesapeake Bay when he arrived here hundreds of years ago, versus now how the Chesapeake Bay is looking today.
The first aquarium is clear with an abundance of oysters. The second shows fewer oysters filtering the water.
We're struggling. We're lucky to get a C grade on our report card on bay quality.
The newly renovated Annapolis Maritime Museum has reopened. It was in the plans for about 5 years, and the coronavirus pandemic slowed the opening by a year.
It's certainly become more higher tech, more 21st century.
Based in Eastport in the old McNasby's building, the last oyster packing facility in Annapolis, oyster economy and history is one message. You'll walk past cages of oyster shells that become fewer through the years and then take a look at how you can help. The interactive exhibits also explore bay health and Annapolis waterways. As you step up to this exhibit, a waterman will sense that you're here. He'll appear on screen and then start talking about his job on an oyster boat.
Kind of work it in there, twist it side to side.
At the end of the day, we're only 2,500 square feet, and you do have to vet all the subject matter to determine what is most relevant.
It's jam-packed with stories of people on the water and activities.
People won't protect what they've not experienced.
The ribbon is cut and the politicians are telling us their kids are jealous they're here without them.
Thank you for making this city better every single day. The organization, the volunteers here.
And as so many of us know, the Annapolis Maritime Museum goes beyond this building, taking cruises on the historic skipjack Wilma Lee, hosting the annual sock burning, which marks the beginning of spring, and holding summer concerts. They missed the sock burning, but they hope to bring back the music.
You're not just a celebration of what's happening now, but you embrace the history and the culture of Annapolis.
From looking at history to living through it, this building tells a story of the Bay. For Chesapeake Bay Media's Bay Bulletin, I'm Cheryl Costello.